I recently finished my algorithms class in college, and I was interested in breadth-first search algorithms. When my professor was discussing it, I immediately thought of that one Roblox game called Friendscape, so I want to recreate it. Firstly, I wondered, how does a game instance know the player's friends? I looked it up in the Roblox API documentation, the Holy Bible for Roblox devs, and saw that there is a method in a player's object to send a request to the server, the player's friends page. There's also this page object in Roblox detailing how pages work, but I'm too lazy to read about it, so I'll just yank the code here. I also noticed that you can also see the account's age with this property, so I tested it and both stuff works. Now I need to implement the breadth-first search algorithm, but first I want to briefly explain the concept behind it. We have friends, and friends have friends. It can be represented in this graph where they are connected to each other. We want to find this guy here, but we start at you, so how would we find this guy? Simple, we search each of your friends, check if that's our guy, and if not, we check your friend's friend and repeat until we eventually find the guy. Our worst case scenario is that we don't find them, or the guy is pretty deep in the graph. Now for the actual coding, we need two arrays, one to store the already visited players and one to store a queue. We add our initial node, the player, to visit and queue. We add a loop to check if there is something in the queue. If there is, we pop the queue and check its neighboring nodes. We only want nodes that are not yet visited, so we prevent duping our checks. We then add the neighboring nodes to the visited list and add them to the queue. If the current node is our guy, then we stop. Okay, let's try a theoretical sample run so you would understand. Let's say I want to find my friend's friend as shown in the graph here. We don't know where he is, so we search. We start with me, add to the visited and queue list. The queue list isn't empty because I'm there. So we pop me out and check each of my friends and see if they're already in the visited list, then add them to the visited list and to the queue. Now the queue just got more people, so it repeats that cycle of popping, adding neighbors, then queuing until we find the guy we want. If the guy isn't there, then worst case scenario, we go through all the nodes. Okay, let's actually test this. I'll use my friend's friend Ide and boom. Error. Oh, it's creating an error when an account is deleted. No worries, nothing but good old call can't fix. There. Okay, now it seems to be rather slow. Well, I can't do anything about it but to wait. After 20 minutes, it finally found it. It visited about 50,000 nodes. Spectacularly horrible. And the depth of the graph wasn't even that far. Well, I ain't doing this anymore, so like or follow for more.